AP Environmental Science Video, AP Environmental Science Video. Howdy, Balsiger here. Here is our math video for long multiplication. And this is level 1. I'm going to show you a 2-digit number multiplied by a 1-digit number and how to solve that. So let's start with 33. If you multiply 33 times 3, an easy way to do that, the technique that I use is you can multiply first to the ones place and you would get 9. Then you'd multiply to the tens place and you would get 9, and you'd end up with 99. Now there's no carrying in that, so that's pretty simple. Let's make it a little harder. What if it was 33 times 4? And so now this gets tricky, and watch what I do with carrying here. 4 times 3 is 12. I'm going to put the 2 down here for the ones place, but notice I have a 1 that should go here. That 1 is representative of the tens place, so I'm going to keep the 1 up here to remember to add it in later. I'm going to go 4 times 3 again. Now this is actually 4 times 30, so I'm going to put my answer in the tens place, and I'm going to say, well, 4 times 3 is 12, so I'm going to put the 2 here. But look, I have to add that 1 to it, and so what we do is we say 4 times 3 is 12, but don't forget to add the 1, so it's actually 13. Let me show you without all the annotations. Let me do that again. 33 times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Carry the 1. 4 times 3 is 12. Add the 1. It's 13. Let's try a different one. Let's do 14 times 5. Now this is a little trickier. I'm going to go 5 times 4 is what? Right, 20. I'm going to carry the 2. 5 times 1 is 5. Don't forget to add the carried on 2 for 70. Did that look mysterious? Let's try a different one. Let's try 14. Let's try 24 times 5. So this is 5 times 4 is 20. So I'm going to put the 1 here. We got that 2 to add on, but so I'll put it up here to remember about it. 5 times 2 is 10. Added to the to that 2 up there would be 12. 120. So let's try one that's not a 5, because 5 is kind of tricky. So let's do 16 times 3. Why don't you try to solve that using my carrying method? Actually, I'll give you a few to solve. Solve that, and then we'll do 34 times 6, and we'll do, I don't know, 28 times 2. And I bet you can solve that one in your head, this last one. Okay, go ahead, solve it. Before I do, I'll race you. On your marks, get set, go. 3 times 6 is 18, carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, but adding the 1 makes it 48. Next. 6 times 4 is 24. Carry the 2. 6 times 3 is 18. Adding the 2 makes it 20. 28 times 2. Let's see. 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 4. Adding the 1 is 54. Make sense? That's math video number 1.